Welcome back to my channel. Lasagna is a beloved dish worldwide, but traditional versions often feature heavy layers of pasta and rich sauces that may not align with dietary needs, especially for those managing diabetes or seeking healthier options. This eggplant lasagna recipe substitutes pasta layers with slices of eggplant, offering a low-carb, nutrient-rich alternative that's just as satisfying. Here's why this dish is a fantastic choice for diabetics and health-conscious individuals, along with a detailed recipe to make it at home. Health benefits: low in carbohydrates. Replacing lasagna noodles with eggplant significantly reduces the carbohydrate content, which can help manage blood sugar levels more effectively. High in fiber. Eggplant is a great source of dietary fiber, which promotes healthy digestion and prolonged satiety, aiding in weight management. Rich in nutrients. This dish is packed with vitamins and minerals. Eggplants are rich in vitamins C, K, and B6, magnesium, and potassium, while the cheeses provide calcium. Antioxidant properties. Eggplants contain antioxidants like niacin and chlorogenic acid, which help combat oxidative stress, a common issue in diabetics. Ingredients: 2 large eggplants, sliced lengthwise into 1/4-inch thick slices. Salt, to draw moisture out of the eggplant. 3 tablespoons olive oil, for brushing eggplant before roasting. 1 cup ricotta cheese. 1 cup grated Parmesan cheese, plus extra for topping. 1 large egg. 2 cups shredded mozzarella cheese. 2 cups marinara sauce, homemade or store-bought. 1 teaspoon dried basil. 1 teaspoon dried oregano. 2 cloves garlic minced. Fresh basil leaves for garnish. Instructions: 1. Prep the eggplant. Sprinkle salt on the eggplant slices and let them sit for about 30 minutes to draw out moisture. Rinse with water and pat dry with paper towels. Preheat your oven to 375°F. Brush both sides of the eggplant slices with olive oil and place them on a baking sheet. Roast in the oven for 20-25 minutes until soft and golden. Remove and set aside to cool. 2. Prepare the cheese mixture. In a bowl, combine ricotta cheese, 1 cup Parmesan cheese, and 1 egg. Mix well until smooth. 3. Assemble the lasagna. Spread a thin layer of marinara sauce on the bottom of a baking dish. Place a layer of roasted eggplant slices over the sauce. Spread half of the ricotta mixture over the eggplant, then sprinkle with mozzarella cheese. Repeat with another layer of marinara, eggplant, ricotta mixture, and mozzarella cheese. Top with a final layer of eggplant, the remaining marinara sauce, and sprinkle generously with Parmesan cheese. 4. Bake the lasagna. Cover with foil and bake in the preheated oven for 25 minutes. Remove the foil and bake for another 10 minutes, or until the cheese is bubbly and golden. Let it cool for 10 minutes before serving. Garnish and serve. Garnish with fresh basil leaves before serving to add a burst of freshness. This eggplant lasagna not only satisfies those lasagna cravings, but also does so in a way that is friendly for diabetics and those looking for healthier meal options. Its low-carb profile, combined with high fiber content and essential nutrients, makes it an excellent dish for maintaining balanced blood sugar levels while enjoying a rich, flavorful meal. If you enjoyed watching this video, then hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day. See you in the next video.